TAT is a technique that I came across back in 2001, and when I first came across it I didn't really get it. That was my initial response to it, and so I wasn't really sure about it until I met Tapas Fleming, the founder, and I'm delighted to say that Tapas is a really close friend of mine now. But when I met Tapas and went through some TAT training with Tapas, I really got it. And I think that the wonderful thing with TAT, which differs from some of the other energy psychology techniques, and there are so many out there now, so it really is for people to find their own way and what resonates with them. But there's a huge spiritual component to TAT that takes you to a place of being at peace. And when you come into that place of being at peace, it really takes you into the core of yourself. So you're connecting to your own deeper inner wisdom, and you're connecting into that essence of something that's so much greater than you. Call it whatever you want to. So I love TAT because it's very versatile. You can work with anything, whether it's a very, very deep trauma such as combat trauma or trauma after natural disasters or abuse. You can work with that, just right through to working on beliefs that you may hold, and just day-to-day things that maybe you're having a problem with. It's wonderful for processing around relationship issues as well. So it's very, very versatile. I've seen people heal allergies with it. I've seen people recover from quite serious illness with it. So it has the ability to remove the trauma from our bodies, energetically and physically and mentally, allowing the body's own healing to come through. So you're enhancing your body's own healing ability, and so for me that's really what makes it so great. And the other thing about TAT that I love is people don't have to talk about things. If they don't want to talk about it, they don't have to talk about their issue. You can still work with it, and it works very, very gently, which is lovely. So you're not re-traumatizing people. They do not have to be re-traumatized when they're working. You can bundle it up and work with it beautifully in a way that supports the other person without having to drag them back through some very difficult emotional experiences.